Unbelievable. Look at the beauty. We have already crossed Rohtang Pass, a very famous pass in India as well as worldwide. It is located at the height of 13,050 feet. After that, Baralacha Pass, which is located at the height of 16,020 feet. Then La Chungla at the height of 16,620 feet. And this is the highest, you can call it the third highest pass in the world, which is located at the height of 17,582 feet. Man, could you believe? Could you believe this? Look at that. Look at the height. Unbelievable, man. Simply amazing.